Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from BigCommerce payouts to US Bank, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from BigCommerce payouts to a US Bank, start by logging into your BigCommerce account. Navigate to the Store Setup section in the left-hand menu. Select Payments to open the Payment Settings page. Locate the Payouts tab and click on it. Here, you will see your current payout settings and any pending payouts. To add or edit a bank account for withdrawals, click on Manage Bank Account. If this is your first setup, select Add Bank Account. Enter your bank account information, including the account. Double-check that all details are accurate to avoid any issues. Review the agreement terms and conditions, then confirm your acceptance. Once you've entered the information, click Save Changes. Your bank account should now be linked to your BigCommerce account. To initiate a withdrawal, return to the Payouts tab. Select the payout you wish to withdraw. Click on Withdraw to Bank or a similar option available. Follow any prompts to confirm the withdrawal process. You will receive a notification regarding the status of your withdrawal. Withdrawals typically take a few business days to process. Make sure to monitor your bank account for the incoming transfer. If you encounter any issues, consult BigCommerce help resources for assistance. Ensure you are aware of any fees associated with the withdrawal process. Keep track of your payouts in the Payouts tab for easy reference. By following these steps, you will successfully withdraw from BigCommerce payouts to your US Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.